Forget what you think you know about budget travel. We're about to show you how to experience the magic of Myanmar, from ancient temples to pristine beaches, while staying in incredible hotels for under $40 a night. Our top pick is a game changer for any Asia tour. Hello fellow travelers, and welcome back to our channel. On our mission to find the world's best budget travel experiences, we just spent weeks uncovering the most incredible and affordable hotels across the stunning country of Myanmar, also known as Burma. We've curated a list of the 10 best budget hotels in Myanmar, starting from just $7 a night. Yes, you heard that right. And these aren't just cheap rooms. They are hidden gems that offer insane value. We're counting them down from 10 to 1, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, before we kick off the countdown, we have to share some important travel tips. As of late 2025, a trip to Myanmar requires careful planning. Many governments have issued travel advisories, so your first step should always be to check the latest advice from your home country. However, travel is still happening within well-established tourist areas, including Yangon, Bagan, Inle Lake, and Mandalay. A trip here can be a powerful way to directly support local families who depend on tourism. All the hotels on our list are in these zones, but with the situation changing, you must do your own research. Always confirm a hotel is open before you book anything. This is a crucial piece of advice for any solo travel or family trip to the region. Hotel number 10, Royal Pearl Hotel. Kicking off our list in the cultural hub of Mandalay is the Royal Pearl Hotel. For about $25 a night, its biggest selling point is location. It's just a 5-minute walk from the Mandalay railway station, making it incredibly convenient. This is a simple no-frills hotel that delivers perfectly on the essentials: a comfortable bed, a clean room, and friendly staff. It's a reliable and practical choice that lets you save your money for exploring the city's incredible sights. Hotel number 9, Agga Youth Hostel. Next, we head to the gateway city, Yangon, for our most budget-friendly pick. Agga Youth Hostel is for travelers looking to save big and meet new people. You can find private rooms or dorm beds here for as low as $7 to $15. Its location near the central district is unbeatable for exploring the city. A quick heads up though, recent guest reviews are a bit sparse, so definitely check its current operational status online before you go. Hotel number 8, the Home Hotel. Sticking around in Mandalay, our number 8 spot is the Home Hotel. For around $30 a night, this place gets outstanding reviews for being exceptionally clean, modern, and just fantastic value. The rooms feel spacious and spotless, and the staff are known for going the extra mile. The real treat, however, is the rooftop breakfast. It's the perfect way to start your day before visiting the incredible places to visit around Mandalay. Hotel number 7, Thiri Mingalar Hotel. Now we journey to the ancient kingdom of Bagan. Our number 7 pick is the Thiri Mingalar Hotel. While it's not as famous as some others, it's praised for solid comfort and excellent service at a very fair price. Known for its spacious rooms and quiet garden, it's a true retreat after a hot day of sightseeing. The staff can sort you out with e-bike rentals, making it a wonderful and peaceful base for exploring the nearby temples. Hotel number 6, Hotel Balmi. Back in Yangon, if you're looking for a boutique vibe without the painful price tag, Hotel Balmi is your spot. With prices often in the $25 to $35 range, this hotel punches way above its weight. It's a calm oasis that gets rave reviews for its stylish rooms and helpful staff. It's the perfect hotel in Yangon to retreat to after a chaotic day exploring the city's pagodas and amazing Burmese food stalls. We're halfway through our countdown. If you're finding these travel recommendations helpful for planning your own epic trip, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps our channel create more budget travel guides. Alright, let's get back to the list. Hotel number 5. Song of Travel Hostel. For number 5, we're heading to the serene water world of Inle Lake. Song of Travel Hostel in the main town of Nyangshu is a 100% locally owned social enterprise. The atmosphere is famously welcoming, and they organize amazing boat tours that directly support local families. This one comes with a big asterisk. Its availability can be limited, so you absolutely must check if they are open and taking bookings. If you can get in, it's a truly unique and heartwarming stay. Hotel number 4, Hotel Grand United, 21st Downtown. Our number 4 pick takes us back to Yangon and is a dream for budget travelers who want a killer location. For around $20 to $30 a night, Hotel Grand United delivers modern clean rooms right in the middle of the action. The absolute showstopper is the rooftop restaurant. You can enjoy your morning coffee with a jaw-dropping panoramic view of the Shwedagon Pagoda and Yangon River. It's $1 million view for a budget hotel price. Hotel number 3, Inle Cottage Boutique Hotel. Next up is an absolute gem near Inle Lake. The Inle Cottage Boutique Hotel feels like a small luxury escape. For a price that hovers around just $30, this spot gets rave reviews for its cozy, beautiful rooms and fantastic breakfast. It has a rustic, charming design that feels both authentic and incredibly comfortable. It's a perfect choice for travelers who want a beautiful and serene base to experience the magic of Inle Lake. Hotel number 2, Silver Beach Hotel Ngapali. For our runner-up, we're heading to a coastal paradise. No Myanmar travel guide is complete without a stop at Ngapali Beach, and the Silver Beach Hotel is our top pick for an affordable beach resort experience. Located on the quieter end of the beach, it offers a peaceful escape where you are literally steps from the white sand and turquoise water. The hotel's restaurant is right on the beach, and they offer a free airport transfer, adding even more incredible value. Hotel number 1, Ostello Bello Bagan Pool. And our number 1 budget hotel in Myanmar is the legendary Ostello Bello Bagan Pool. This place is more than a hostel. It's a traveler institution and the social heart of Bagan. It has clean dorms and private bungalows, but its biggest highlight is the swimming pool. After a scorching day exploring thousands of temples on an e-bike, nothing beats jumping into that pool. They also offer free breakfast and organized tours, making it the perfect all-in-one base for your Bagan adventure. This is an honest review. For the price, vibe, and amenities, it simply can't be beaten. And that's our countdown of the 10 best budget hotels for an epic trip to Myanmar. We've shown you that from the energy of Yangon to the magic of Bagan, you can find comfortable, welcoming places that make your trip unforgettable. This list is a great starting point for how to make a hotel budget plan for your own adventure. We've linked all these hotels in the description below if you want to check them out. Which hotel would you pick? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one. For more budget travel guides and travel tips from incredible destinations, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, safe travels.